Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Remove the top panel holding screws and remove the top panel. Remove the controls assembly holding screws and bend the assembly back enough to see the control inlet thermostat. Remove the white wire from the thermostat. Take a reading between the white wire and the blue wire on the thermostat. The reading should be about 40 ohms. In other words, the needle should move close to the zero. If the reading is infinity, you either have one of the heating element coils burnt, or you could have a wire that connects to the heating elements burnt. If the reading is infinity, then you will need to remove the drum to check the heating elements in more detail, like for burnt coils or burnt wires. Let me show you how to test and replace the heaters on this dryer. Disconnect the white, blue, and pink wires from the heating element. Make a notation where each wire connects to, so when you're going to install them, you put them on the right place. Set your multimeter on RX 1K ohms. Take a reading between heater terminal number 1 and terminal number 2. The needle should move close to the zero. The reading should be about 20 ohms. If the needle doesn't move, stays on infinity, the heater is bad and it will need to be replaced. Take a reading between heater terminal number 1 and terminal number 3. The needle should move close to the zero. The reading should be about 20 ohms. If the needle doesn't move, stays on infinity, the heater is bad and it will need to be replaced. To replace the heater assembly, remove the thermo high limit right, the safety thermo left, and the control inlet. Leave the wires attached to them. Remove the 4 holding screws and remove the heater. Install the new heater and tighten the holding screws. Install the thermo high limit right, the control inlet, and the safety thermo left. Connect the pink wire, the blue wire, and the white wire back to the heating element. And that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you replace the heater. For the best place to buy replacement parts online, visit Repair Clinic. When you buy parts from Repair Clinic, you have 365 days from the day of purchase to return the part for a refund or for a replacement. You can find links to Repair Clinic in my website.